Right, so stuff that we're going to use is this stuff, Headlight Restoration Compound it's called. Comes in a complete kit because it's got the sanding disc and all the rest of it as well, just in case you got any heavy scratches on your headlights, which I haven't. So it comes with that. So literally all you do with that is Velcro, line it up, stick it on, that's it, that's good to go. That goes into a battery drill, cordless one or mains, whichever you want to use, and I'm using this as well. This is it's auto masking tape. It's made for auto detailing. It's kind of a bit like low tack, won't damage your paint, won't leave any residue, easy to put on, easy to take off, and then a microfiber cloth afterwards just to give the headlights a polish. But all it needs is a little bit of this compound put onto there, use a battery drill, takes about 5 minutes at the most, and headlights look really clean at the end of it. Mine are a smoky headlight anyway, but they definitely shouldn't be dull like that. So we should be able to see a massive improvement. All I'm doing is putting this on just to protect the trim in case I go mental with the drill. So yeah, I normally have the drill on speed number 1 because it doesn't have to be all that fast. What I'll do is I'll do half a headlight to start with, then we'll see the difference. Now I'll give them the bottle a good shake, and all I'm doing is not putting huge amounts on, but just enough. I'll stay that up there. Alright, and all I'm going to do is dab it on so that when I do turn the drill on it doesn't fire everywhere. Steady motions. And that's ready for buffing now. All I'm going to do is just buff it, and that really is as easy as that. What you can see is a definite difference there between there and there. So what I'll do is I'll finish the rest of the light off, and I'll go over the original light as well, just so that I don't get like misty patches. sun's better. So let's give you a bit of a look. So that is one headlight, and that is one that's not been done. Definite difference. Yeah, definitely well worth doing. Takes you about 5 minutes at the most. Takes you longer to mask it all off. But yeah, definitely well worth doing. Job done.